So this video is going to be all about how to make some extra money for the holidays, Christmas, okay? When everybody is trying to spend big money on everything. Give me my money. Yes, if you have been thinking about starting a print-on-demand business, starting a t-shirt business, starting anything, and a lot of you see my Printify and Printful merger video and you're like, I really want to get started. Some of you were even like, hey, I just recently lost my job or I'm trying to make some extra money. If that is you, this video is going to be so helpful because I am going to walk you through step by step on how to start your Printify store today. Okay, today. So I don't want to hear it talking about what you can't do, talking about what you don't have, talking about I can't design. No, I am going to walk you through today on how we are going to start our Printify business and connect it to Etsy. All right. Christmas is upon us and everybody is trying to spend money. But for the business owners, that is you. You are going to be focused on how to get people to buy from you. And Christmas is a great time to up your profits, to make more money, whether this is just to have a little bit more money for you to buy stuff for people for the holidays or for you to actually make money to save or pay stuff off or however that looks, all right? If you have never been here before, my name is Crystal. I love helping people start businesses, make more money, live on purpose. So make sure you are subscribed for more content like this. If you already OG in the family, welcome back. You already know I love you. And this video is going to be helpful for you. If you were under my last Printify video and you were like, yo, what do I do? Because I'm ready. I'm ready now, but you just don't know like how to take that first step. Like what is the best way for me to jump in? The holidays are a great time to make some money because everybody is buying. Everybody is buying, all right? So I'm gonna show you how to start on Printify, connect to Etsy, create a design. All right, we're gonna do all of that together. I'm gonna walk you through step by step, and I am doing it on my phone. That is how freaking easy it is. Now, if you are brand new, maybe don't try it on your phone. You can do it on your desktop, but I just wanted you to see how easy it is for you to get started today and to stop making excuses. Click the link in my description right here to go to Printify right now to get your store started. Take you some notes, pause it, rewind it, do what you got to do to get started today. Any questions, comments, leave them down below. And I want to see if you're starting today, leave me a comment and say started, okay? Because we are here doing it together. I'm so proud of you in advance. And let's jump into the tutorial. Okay, so here we go. We are on Printify.com. Like I said, all the links to get here, to get started, will be down below. So we are going to get started. Now, I am going to do this like I am you, starting brand new. So you could be an agency, a business, a content creator, an artist or designer, no matter what you identify as. I'm just going to put individual. Okay, we are just an individual today. They're going to ask you, what is your experience? I'm going to say we're just starting off. All right. Where would you like to sell? I'm in the States, so I'm going to put the United States. No matter where you are, you can still sell here with Printify, which is what we love, of course. How did you hear about us? YouTube. Yes, because that is how you are here watching this. Now we are going to create our first product. You can also go directly to connect to a sales channel, which is how you can get to Etsy and other shops like that. It is literally this easy for you to start your business today. So you do not have an excuse. We are on Printify doing it together. But for right now, we are going to start by creating our first product. Now, like I said, we are looking to do something fun for Christmas. Maybe, you know, a cute Christmas ornament, maybe a Christmas card. Now, a lot of people think print on demand is only t-shirts or sweatshirts, or maybe you have no idea what print on demand is. But yes, they have t-shirts. Yes, they have all of that. And you can have a Christmas t-shirt as well as a really fun novelty item that will sell a whole lot and give you a lot of profit for the holidays. All right. So you can type in the search bar, which is what I am going to do. I want to find something that is directly related to Christmas. So going to type that in, and here are our results. We got wrapping paper. Yes, isn't that fun if you have a business that is something specialty like mine's, for example, where I can have Girl Plus God wrapping paper, maybe a Girl Plus God candle like we talked about before. And of course, we got ornaments. Who doesn't love ornaments for the holidays? We got glass ornaments, all right? Now, what you are going to see as we scroll by is the price that you are going to pay to Printify to make this item. And then you are going to set a price for your customer, and you're going to deduct your price for your customer minus the price that you pay Printify. There may be some small fees as well, but let's just say you do that math and you decide, you know what, for the holidays, I want to make an extra $5,000. This is how you're going to identify this when you are looking up what product you want to sell, based on how much you want to make and how much it's going to take for you to make that with your profit margin. So you can do this with some of these ornaments, t-shirts, whatever it is that you choose, right? If you already have a brand, you can just add an extension onto that, maybe with a fun stocking, maybe with a greeting card, maybe with an ornament, maybe with your t-shirt, whatever it is. But we are trying to find ways for you to make enough profit to get to whatever your goal is. And it doesn't have to be large. You may just be like, look, I want to make an extra $1,000 for the holidays to get some really good gifts for my family, whatever that looks like for you, right? Just think about that when you are on the website searching. Now you can see it's Christmas sock, $239. It's even cheaper, $184 with Printify Premium. All right. So I am just browsing around. Now I am going to go to Etsy because I want to do my research, which is what I tell you guys to do all the time. Go do your research. Of course, Christmas ornaments is featured. So I want to see what Christmas ornaments are popular right now, what they look like. Go do your research, see what is selling, see what's a bestseller, see what the reviews are saying, and see how much your competitors are selling their items for. Of course, you see some election stuff up here. You're going to see fun novelty items because this is the time when everybody is buying something. Right? People are buying all kind of stuff. You got a Christmas dog ornament that is $15.99. All right. So all kind of fun little novelty items, different things that people can buy as gifts and that people can also buy to put on their own trees. Shout out to Detroit. That's my hometown, and the Lions are winning. So that is something I would definitely buy one of my family members. You see? So think about your city. Think about things that you connect to, your community connects to, if you already have a brand, what your tribe connects to, what you guys are passionate about. And like I said, look at the reviews, look at what's selling really well, and look at what you can get the most money out of for your sales goal. All right. Now, you may be like, I have no idea how I'm going to go and create a design after this research. What am I supposed to do? You know, I got you. So Printify has articles to help you. They have the AI tools to help you generate a design. All right. It is that easy to get started. So you do not have to worry about, well, I'm not good with designs. I'm not good with any of this. Nope. Printify got you covered. All right. So you can look in here and learn how to create designs, learn how to do a bunch of stuff. All right. So make sure you check that out. Now I am going to go and design my Christmas ornament. Now, you see the little plus sign, how it's lighting up? I just hit that. I could put text. I could put a design I already have, but I'm going to create a design from scratch, completely from AI, to show you how I'm going to do it. Now they have a bunch of different options for me. I want to keep it cute and Christmassy, so I am just going to type in Christmas and just see what I get. Just as simple as that, right? Now I enhanced it, and look at all they came up with. I mean, really? Now I generated my image, and I cannot wait to see like what we're gonna come up with right now. This is what I mean by it is this easy for you to start your business today. Look at this image. I did not draw this. I did not go pay to do this. I'm starting my business and I have not spent a single dollar yet. Okay? I have a very cute little ornament that I have designed, and I have officially created my first Christmas product. So you can absolutely do this. Click the link in the description to get started right now. Printify got you covered. You can sell on Etsy or any other sales channel. But any questions you have, drop them down below. I'm so excited for you, and happy holidays.